Dear students, welcome to this session. Now I am going to take a topic on functions of business letter. Before going to that topic, I will give an introduction about what is business letter. Business letter is a letter which is used by organization to communicate in a professional way with customers, clients, shareholders and investors, etc. Business letter uses formal language and a specific format. Mostly, companies use it to convey important information and messages to achieve the organization goal. Business letters are important because they serve as a formal method of communication between people who all are working in the organization. They provide valuable information on business related matters such as purchase transaction, and they serve as a legal purpose. Now we are going to see about functions of business letter. Business people have to communicate with the suppliers, debtors, creditors, customers and with other concerned parties to exchange information. Business letters are basically used to communicate with the above parties. Functions or purpose of business letters are follows. First one, to convey information. The basic purpose of any business letter is to convey information regarding business activities. Information can be transmitted through business letters to customer, suppliers, debtors, government authorities, financial institution, bank and other insurance companies and to any other parties related with the business. Second one is to conclude transaction. This is one of the specific purpose of business letter. To conclude in complete transaction, business letters are frequently used. Next one is creation of demand. Business letters, especially circular letter, used to create demand for a new product. Circular letters can communicate many people in the same time. Next one is creation of goodwill. In this electronic era, message can be sent within a few seconds through electronic media, but a well decorated business letters has its own importance in creation positive image of company. Next one is expansion of business. Through goodwill message and through circular letter, existing market can be expanded. Next one is establishment of relationship. Another important purpose of business letter is it helps to establish mutual relationship with the customers, suppliers and with the other interested parties. So next one is evidence. Business letter are also used to maintain documentary evidence. Letters can be preserved for future reference. So next one is to inquire. A business concern not only send messages but also receive information from outside. To run the business, any firm need different types of information from outside. Through business letters, firm can inquire regarding necessary matters. Next one is placing order. It is a very common purpose for using business letter. Both trading and manufacturing concern need to place order for finished goods or raw materials to run the business. Next one is problem solving. In the course of business, disputes and misunderstanding may arise. Business letters play vital role in solving such misunderstandings. Now we are going to see about needs of business letter. In this, first one is exchange of business information. Letters are the most economical and convenient means of exchanging information. With the help of letters, executives can easily exchange information with the customers, suppliers, investors, government officers and regulatory authorities, etc. Next one is establishing business relationship. Business letters play an important role in establishing and maintaining relationship with the various parties. Business letters reduce the distance between a business and its customer, supplier, creditors and other public group. Next one is creation of market. Circular letter, a form of business letter, helps to create new market for goods and services. This letter contains information about utility, features and usefulness of the product and induce the customer to buy the product. Next one is substitute to personal visit. Introduction of letters in business world relieve the business executive from visiting their clients, suppliers, creditor and other public groups by traveling a long distance. For this reason, commercial letters are called alternative technique to a personal visit. Next one is saving cost and time. Business letter relieve busy executive from visiting personally their clients and other concerned parties. Therefore, valuable time and cost can be saved. Next one is maintaining secrecy. Business letter also helps to maintain secrecy of information. Not one other than the sender and receiver can know the messages contained in the letter. Next one is increasing goodwill. Business letters like enquiry letter, circular letter, order acknowledgement letter, adjustment grant letter, etc. help to increase goodwill of a business with the customers. Next one is formal agreement. Business letter act as a formal agreement between buyer and seller. For example, an order letter contains name of items, price and quantity, time of delivery and mode of payment. All these are regarded as the conditions of an agreement between buyer and seller. Next one is settlement of transaction. Commercial letter have paramount importance in setting business transaction. For example, by writing a claim letter, buyer can raise his claim to the seller by writing collection letter. Seller can collect the dues from the customers. Next one is use as reference. Information exchanged through letters can be preserved permanently and used as a reference when need arises. Therefore, making business decisions become easier. Next one is legal acceptance. Business letter is an acceptable document in the eye of law. It can be stored and produced as documentary proof. Last one is assist in local and international trade. Both the local and foreign trade essentially requires the help of various business letters. Through letters, business person make enquiry about product and prices, place orders for goods to collect the dues to settle claim, etc. From the above discussion, it can be concluded that successful operation of business activities, establishing, maintaining and developing business relationships and finally achieving the business goal all require helps of business letters. In a sense, conducting business is impossible without the business letters. Thank you so much.